The following disinfecting, sanitizing, cleaning recommendations are provided by the Custodial Services Department to assist your campus department custodians as students return to their school buildings for the 2020-2021 school year. They will come into a safe and sanitary environment. The following general guidelines apply to all areas of your campus, including but not limited to entrances, lobbies and corridors, classrooms and laboratories, office, lounge and conference rooms, restrooms, locker rooms and showers, cafeterias and lunch areas, gymnasium, exterior grounds and perimeter. Within these areas of your building, disinfect constant touch surfaces such as handrails, doorknobs, countertops, doors and windows, dispensers, hand sanitizer, soap, paper towels must be disinfected more frequently. Desks, chairs, tables, telephones, keyboards, water fountains, elevator buttons, employee lounge appliances, garbage cans, benches, bleachers, lockers, showers. With copiers, do not spray the device directly. Time clocks also do not spray device directly. Surfaces must be disinfected, sanitized on a daily basis, a minimum of 3 times a day. Times may vary by campus administration, but a general recommendation is at first period, during the lunch period, and towards the end of the custodial workday. When performing the listed job tasks, use all necessary personal protective equipment, including face masks, face shields, and gloves. Ensure that all cleaning guidelines are followed, including chemical dwell-kill time, application dilution rates, proper labeling, storage and disposal. All district supplies are to be used on a daily basis. Each campus will receive at least one disinfecting machine, a fogger blower. This machine will only be used in the event of a positive COVID-19 case in your campus and in the affected areas. Your lead custodian was trained to use this equipment when we conducted district-wide campus disinfecting at the onset of this pandemic. Additional training may be conducted upon request. As always, the Custodial Services Department is here to assist your campus for whatever you need.
On behalf of the UISD Custodial Services Department, I want to thank you for your attention and time to this video. Keeping your building sanitized and disinfected is a very important part of keeping our students and staff safe. This can be accomplished through teamwork. Once again, thank you, and remember, we are here to serve you.